How to use Xbox Cloud Gaming on Android. Want to play console quality Xbox games on your Android phone without downloads? Here's how to use Xbox Cloud Gaming step by step. You'll need an Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription, an Android phone running version 6.0 or later, a stable internet connection, and a Bluetooth controller. So first and foremost, go ahead and open Google Play Store, head over to the search section and search for Xbox Game Pass or search for the Xbox application. Now go ahead and click on it on the results and then go ahead and click on that install button to install the application. Now, once you have it installed, go ahead and sign in with your Microsoft account linked to the Game Pass Ultimate. Turn on your Bluetooth controller and pair it with your phone. In the app, confirm that your controller is connected. Tap Cloud Gaming in the app, browse the library, select a game, and it will stream instantly to your phone. For best performance, use Wi-Fi instead of mobile data. Some games support touch controls if you don't have a controller. And that's how to use Xbox Cloud Gaming on Android. Quick, simple, and ready to play anywhere.